Hey, you want to hear something weird? Your response? Okay, a rebuttal? Ah, no rebuttal. Oh, furthermore, this one got something to say. What about you? There they are. Man, I don't know what kind of bird that is. Alright, man, they're just conversating away, ain't they? Uh-huh. Jesus is Lord and He's coming. Jesus is Lord. There's two of them up there. There they go. Alright, you guys. Jesus is Lord and He's coming. That's what they're saying. Alright, from far Texas. Nick, love you all. God bless you. Peace.